Hi friends, welcome to this fifth video of Pyspark tutorial playlist. In this video, we will be understanding group by and aggregate functions. These are the topics that we are going to cover in this video. We use group by and aggregate functions together because group by function is used to group data or group rows based on one or more column values. And then aggregate function is used to combine that data into a single output which helps us to find meaningful insights from the data frame. Let's see how. But before jumping into group by operations, let's first install PySpark and then start a Spark session. To install PySpark, we can use this particular syntax. Now for doing any PySpark operation, we will need to start a Spark session. So this is the syntax that we can use to initiate a Spark session. Two things to understand. So here we have imported a Spark session module. And with the help of this Spark session module, we have these particular get or create methods to start Spark session. Now let's read the dataset. So let me show you which dataset we would be using here. For this video, we are going to use this dataset which has three columns: company, employee, and income. Let's go back to the notebook. Now for now for reading the dataset. Here we Here we will need to mention the path of our CSV file. Since our CSV file is in Google Drive, we will first need to connect this notebook with the Google Drive and then try to get the path from there. For connecting it, we can go to this left panel, click on Files and click on Mount Drive. Once done, you will see a folder here with the name Drive. So this is the file that we need, which is the employee details. We can copy the path, run it, and then use another options like header is equal to true so that it would consider our first row as a column name, and also take infer schema is equal to true so that it would consider and infer the data type from there. Let's close this window. Let's do dot show as well. So we have got the data frame right now. Now let's try to do group by operations on this data frame. You can use df dot group by. Let's give the name of any column here. Let's say company, and let's see what does group by do. So here it says that okay, we have got grouped data at this particular location. Now let's use this group by with aggregate function. Since aggregate function mean, here we have got average income per company, where Tesla is providing an average income of 42,000, RIL 43,000, Amazon 30,000, and Microsoft 40,000. We can also find the maximum income that the company is providing. Tesla is providing the maximum income of 45, Reliance 49, and so and so. And now, suppose instead of finding the maximum income per company, you want to find the overall maximum income. Let's see how we can do that. We will need to give the values in dictionary format. First, we will need to give the name of column, let's say income, and the second value is suppose we want to find the maximum income. We can do dot show. On doing dot show, we have found the maximum income that is being provided by any company. Okay. Now, guys, so here we saw using group by with aggregate function, but we can also generalize, and a better syntax is there, which is if you see here, we have got the maximum income per company. Guys, the result of this syntax and this syntax is same, but this is more generalized. So we can use this one. So the next step is that there are many functions which are available for grouping data. Let's see those functions. So we have imported functions. Let's see the syntax. df dot select, and here we will give the name of the column. So let's say company, and here you can do dot show. So there are four companies in this data frame. Here if you see Amazon, Tesla, Reliance, Amazon and Microsoft. So there are four companies. And let's change it to income. Suppose we want to find the distinct income. So there are 8 values which are available in income column. Now we could also use average, which would give us the mean. So here the mean of all incomes is 37,000. And instead of average, we could also use and check the standard deviation in the income column, which is coming out to be somewhere around 12,000. So right now we have got the result, but we want to do some formatting. We want to change the name of the column, and also we want to specify the decimal places to be 2. How we can do that is with the help of format number and alias. Let's see how. Let's also copy the syntax. So for changing the name of column, we can simply use dot alias, and we can give the name. Let's give the name as average income, and let's do dot show. So here we can see the column name has been changed. Suppose we want to also change the formatting of the number. So we can, so instead of doing dot show, let's save it in a variable first. After saving it in a variable, let's call it first. After saving it in a variable, we can use dot select format number, and we will give the name of the column. So the name of the column has been changed to average income. Let's copy it from here and paste it, and give the decimal places to be 2 and do dot show. On doing dot show, we can see that, okay, so the number has been formatted. We got decimal places to be 2, and also we got a comma delimiter here on every thousandth place. But again, we will need to change the name of the column. So we can use dot alias here, and let's give the name formatted income. So it's done. Now let's see how do we sort data frame using order by. You can see from here that our income column is sequenced in ascending order. So if you see, our original data frame was something like this, which was cluttered on income column. Suppose, so by default, it would be arranging the values in ascending order. If we want to use order by, and if we want to sort the income column by descending order, we can use this syntax, which is df dot order by, and instead of giving the name of column in the form of string, we will have to give the column name itself. So that's how you sort in descending order. That's it for the video. Thank you so much.